This is Mrs. Boynton again, coming at you just to see if we can look at a different piece of paper in your bag. You should have a piece of paper that when you look at it, it should say 3 on it. So 3. All right, so get that piece of paper out. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold it into 3 sections. Okay, so we just filled it into 3 sections. All right, now when you unfold it, I need to shade in 1/3 of this rectangle. So I'm going to take and I'm going to shade in 1/3. 1/3 of this rectangle. Woo. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Make sure you're using a color you like. All right. Now I've shaded in 1/3 of this rectangle, and we're going to see what fractions we can find that are equivalent. So go ahead after you filled out that third, go ahead and fold it back up. And then we're going to fold it in half again. So when you unfold it, your paper should look like this. So now we've changed it into a different fraction. It's the same whole, it's the same shaded in part, but the fraction has changed. So let's see, we have 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, 6 parts. So we have 6 in the whole. And then we have how many parts that are shaded? 1, 2. So 2, 6. So we can actually say that 1/3 is equivalent or equal to 2, 6. All right, go ahead and fold it back up. Fold it all the way up. And then we are going to fold it again in half this way. And then we're going to unfold it. We've changed the fraction. It's the same whole, it's the same shaded part. But now, instead of 6 sections in the whole, we have 12 sections in the whole. And we have 4 parts that are shaded in. So right now we can have 1/3 is equal or equivalent to 2, 6, which is equal or equivalent to 4/12. We can say that 2, 6 has 2 times as many parts shaded and 2 times as many equal parts. And 4/12 has 4 times as many equal parts and 4 times as many parts shaded as 1/3. All right, so all 3 models have the same shaded area. So 1/3, 2, 6, and 4/12 are equivalent fractions. You can also multiply the numerator and denominator of 1/3. So we take 1/3 by the same number to get the equivalent fraction. So for example, 1 times 2, and whatever we do to the numerator, we have to do to the denominator, and 3 times 2 would equal 2, 6. So 2, 6 is 2 times as many as 1/3. Now if we do the other one, which is 1/3, we're timesing it by 4. This is going to make a mistake. Okay, so we have to times the numerator and the denominator by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So if we look, that is a pretty cool way of making an equivalent fraction. So if we have 1/3, and let's times it by, say, 6. What do you think that equivalent fraction would be? Talk in your groups. Figure it out. See if you got it.